Hello, and thank you for watching twocarpros.com. In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the electric seat switch in a 2000 to 2006 GMC Yukon. Let's start with removing the hardware screws holding the plastic piece to the seat. Remove the plastic mounting piece from the seat. Using the appropriate size socket, remove the switch housing. Remove the wiring harness from the switch. You might need a small pick to do this step. We like to compare our new switch to our old switch to be sure of proper install. Return the switch to the plastic mounting piece. Install the wiring harness back into the switch. Then install the plastic mounting bracket back to the seat using the screws you removed before. Our last step is to test the switch. Please click our subscribe button. Thank you for watching twocarpros.com.